Check, check. Good morning. Ooh, we're live. We're live. Let's just restart this link and share the link. Oh my god, we're gonna have a good stream today, aren't we, boys? Okay. Let's do it. Sorry about not streaming there yesterday, guys. I went to my sister's place, and I can't stream from my sister's place, so I had to cancel that one. But we're doing well here. Bunch of traders been losing money past day, and I just haven't been trading. So let's listen to some music. Seb, of course. Of course we did. Welcome to the stream, man. First stream. Hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button. Yeah, this is the unreleased music. He's got some stuff on Spotify. Shay. He's good. He's real good. Amy, you're back. Edward, good morning. Cha-ching. Brr. Money printer go. Brr. Like button smashed. You guys know, every single time you hit the like button on this channel, you increase your win rate by 1%. Bum, 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 bum. Alright. 2 more minutes. Name of the artist. I'll type it in for you, buddy. Yeah. 1 second. Shay Ponzio. You want his Instagram? It's just a period instead of a space. Yeah, the dinner was really nice, guys. Yeah, it was great. It was a good time. One of the more bougie things I've done. Is it Thanksgiving? It's not Thanksgiving here, dude. It's not Thanksgiving here. Thanksgiving is in October, I think. Here, October or September, I forget. I don't know. You think I'm Canadian for some reason? I am Canadian, but I don't know nothing. Already got the plans. When are you gonna move? Yeah, I'm planning on moving, traveling around next winter. So I'm gonna spend summer here. Thanks for making me a dingus. No worries, dude. GU sweeping highs? Yeah, we're gonna talk about it. Then the pizza. Yeah. I'm eating another one of those pizzas right now. I have a weird pizza order. Got a weird pizza order here. I'll show you guys. We missed you yesterday. Hey, boy, yeah, I know. I missed it. I missed me. I missed me yesterday, too. Went to my sister's place for the day. Well, for the night, but...
She knows that I blow up when I get on that train.
another half year at least. Yeah, so it's going to take some time to figure out exactly what I want to do in the itinerary. Plus, we got to wait for COVID to calm down. Alright, let's get this thing started. Let's get started. Ooh, you excited now? I say let's get started. Right, so first of all, hello. This is my pizza order. If you guys see this, that's my go-to pizza. I get, this is incredibly important to trading, by the way. I get garlic parmesan sauce, chicken, jalapeno. You guys are going to call me crazy. Pineapple, and then onion, because I also like the onion. But that combo, really good. Jalapeno, pineapple, unbelievable. And it doesn't go with marinara sauce, so you have to get another sauce. Right, look at the charts. All right, there it is. Some of this stuff. Okay, cool. So, liked, awesome. Thanks, Edward. UJ, yeah, we're gonna look at UJ also. We're gonna look at nearly all of these guys here. Didn't take any trades today. Didn't take any trades yesterday. Wasn't around yesterday. But I had heard that like all the traders lost money. At least on my team, everybody lost money. So I'm like, good. Maybe I shouldn't have traded yesterday. And some days just not good. But we're looking at some good setups coming out the door here. Start with EU actually. Same sort of thing as GU, very, very similar. We finally hit this target that we were looking for, and this lines up perfectly to a level of interest. So that is really nice. The closure is very bearish here. So what I would like to do, you know, we're seeing a pullback at some point. We're gonna see a pullback tomorrow, right? What is it? Wednesday, all day long. Sweet, perfect. We're going to see some sort of pullback somewhere, right? And as we can tell, a lot of people are going to be getting stops right here. There's a lot of resting orders, right? So it's going to come back here. We just got the fib on there. It lines up nicely with this level, right? So we're going to look for this level to reject tomorrow. Ba-ding, ba-ding, right? We might be able to even get a long in tomorrow, depending on how long this takes to set up. It might be one day, right? Might be a full day. We might be able to long it back up here. GU, same sort of thing. GU, same sort of thing, right? Going above these highs, really breaking down, retesting this order block right here, right? Isn't that just beautiful how everything in trading works? Actually, that didn't line up perfectly, did it? That lined up down here. Okay. Well, I'm just wrong then. He's a stupid trader. Probably doesn't know how to trade. Don't listen to him. Okay. What's up, Thunder? Hey, Adapt. You see Bitcoin? It's at highs now, isn't it? So same sort of thing here with GU. Where would we want to target? I think down here. This one looks good. This one looks really good, actually. That's good. That'll be our final target if we can get it on an entry on this one. Euro USD. I think here. See, we can see that probably gonna line up perfectly with this hidden demand, right? Yeah, look at that. Right? Perfect. Same level. Perfect. Same level. That'll be a good level, right? We can even scroll down here a little bit, see if there's anything. Maybe right here too. Maybe right around there. Yeah, right around there too is a good one. Okay. Anyways. Edward, hey, this is my first time here on your live stream since I just got subbed to you 3 days ago. Hey, glad you can join us, man. This is honestly the place where you're going to learn the most. The videos are to grab attention, bring people in, quick info. You feel like you've learned something, and then you move on your way, right? You get value very quickly. Streams, this is where you really learn. So the people watching the streams every day, you know, there's only usually, you know, 200 to 300 of you. I mean, no, there's people who watch actually afterwards. So maybe like 2,000 or 3,000 people. Those are the people that are really, really getting the core knowledge here, right? So looking down at, let's look at UJ here now. somebody called out UJ, and then we will also look at Euro CAD. Somebody asked for Euro CAD as well. And yeah, we're going to look at all these pairs, guys. We'll look at all of them. I think so. It took a long one to you. What do you think? Well, I'm pretty tired. I didn't have any tea here today. You took a long here. Probably off this order block, eh? Yeah, I mean, this could be the level that it's bouncing off of, and it's going to come up here, right? Right there. But I just don't see it yet. Like, I don't see any reason to long yet. Personally, but that could be the level that it bounces off of. Right? There's no reason for this not to be the level. It's a good level. Oh, man. I'm sleepy. Holy crap. Yes, sir. Why does everyone say yes, sir? It's kind of funny. Yes, sir. All right. Yeah, you're looking for it to get up here. Yeah, that's exactly what we'd like to see too. I mean, this could do something like this, right? If we see some strong momentum and we get above this level, I'd say, right above that level. And then we can come back down and then rally up there. That'd be really good. I'd be satisfied with that. And then I would take the long here, which is essentially the same trade as what you're taking, right? So if you're taking this trade, like let's say that you took it on this order block right here, right? What you did is you put your stop right there and then you targeted here, right? So my trade would be the same trade, but it would be less risk, less worry. I would be less scared, right? Because I would be entering there a little bit closer, but I'd be targeting there, and my stop would be like a little bit finer, right? So it's basically the same trade, 2.5 versus 3, right? I might even be able to get an even tighter stop, but I'm just waiting for that reversal. It's essentially the same trade. Trade. But could you look at this? Oh, I think whatever you sent, it just got hidden, isn't it? Yeah, let's look at UJ first, though. Oh my god, I'm so tired. Holy crap. Keep yawning, man. UJ first. Rejecting off of this supply. Makes perfect sense. I'm looking for a long here. Yep. I might be able to get a long here on today. This is the only thing I'm looking at right now, I think, for today. If we can get back down to this order block area, we're gonna look for a reversal around there. Manipulation, maybe hit these lows here. This pivot point right there. And then rally, yeah, to new highs or these equal highs. Yeah, we'll hit the equal highs. That's probably what we'll do. That's what we're looking for. Oh yeah, the god count. Oh my god, man. Holy crap. I have to shut that stream off early or something. Holy crap. I'm not gonna be able to talk if I keep yawning. Ugh. I've been tired today, so makes sense. Oh man, how do I get this unlocked here? Oh jeez. Okay. Smash this today. Targeting. Yeah, we'll look at that in a second here. Add up. Guys, what is this chart? What is all this shit? You got like a... Holy fuck. Oh, man. I don't know if I'm going to be able to trade the New York session. I really want to take this trade if we could do it. No trades for London. Nothing came out. It didn't give me any entries. It's definitely more than 4. But we don't know. It's definitely more than 4 yawns. We just don't know how many because we just started counting. I think this is a Wyckoff. What are these called? Indicator. Yeah, that's what it's called. Wyckoff indicator. What is this? GJ. Yeah. Come up here. So what you want to do is you want to wait to see what happens at that level because it could just explode through, right? Or it could manipulate the tops and then come back down and then you're stopped out. So don't enter blind. Don't enter blind on this one. Wait to see what happens and then enter on the rejection. Okay, man, I gotta hide my eyes. Fuck you guys, man. Fuck you. GU. Might not be able to stream for very long here. I have to make some tea or something. Because this is near impossible to just keep talking while yawning is a bit weird. So possible. Yeah, I dig it. That's a good one. And I see it there too. Yep. Mind you, this one could just reject. I'm thinking it's more likely that this just dumps. Because this is retesting a major dump, right? This is the order block, basically the turning point that caused this major dump. This one fell short, and then this one manipulated those highs and reached this. Right? Just rest. Yawn 8. Probably a clear 6, yeah. Show that one. So UJ, we're probably going to come back down here, retest that area. Mr. Pip has a chart here. Okay. And somebody asked for AU also. AU, I was thinking it was very similar to EU. Higher time frame. We had this level that we're talking about. There's an old, look at this one. There's an old level that I drew out a long time ago that we finally actually hit. You know, I don't have to expand it, but you guys can see that that level goes to there. Bunch of highs, all went over. We're now coming back in. If you throw this on the daily, let's see what it looks like. Did close on the outside. That's fine though. We're coming back with a lot of momentum. And then we rejected a nice supply area here. It looks like it's going to continue down. No reason to believe it's not going to hit this level right here. So we can keep looking for shorts on AU. I wouldn't long this at all. There's no reason to long this until it hits this level. UCAD, let's look at UCAD here too. And then EuroCAD. UCAD really rejecting more than I thought. Really dropping back down. I thought this would be kind of the area that would be coming back up. So let's just kind of look. We throw this on the high time frame and just see what the structure of it looks like on the high time frame. We might get a better picture of what's going on here. Let's also just delete a lot of this garbage. Okay. So this was a level that it swept before, right? And now we're actually hitting something here. Okay. Let's put a little bit lower time frame, get some more candles in here. Okay. It's not really hitting anything of major interest here. I'm not sure where this is going to bounce. Honestly, this anywhere in here, it could reverse and come back up here. But it's really starting to reject back down. But I do think on the higher time frame still, we still have this major reversal here, right? Right here. There's still a really good chance that we come back up here. If you're looking for a long here today, I don't think there's any reason to long it at daily highs. Right, you're at the daily high already. There's no reason to long it. And this is just coming up. It could just dump down on the New York. EuroCAD. Yeah. We hit that target there, didn't we? That's a high time frame though. EuroCAD ranging like fucking crazy, isn't it? UJ long, yeah, we're looking for a UJ long on a pullback. I don't have any bias on this one. I mean, it looks good here. Shut up. Shut up. I'm not yawning. This one looks good here. This sweep right here, right? It's just rather choppy, and I don't know what's gonna happen when things are really choppy. Then I don't know. Let's look at this chart here. Somebody sent. Oh, here. Let's look at Ruben here. Ruben. Okay. Jesus, dude. Yawn 9. Feed him pairs. Feed me trade. There's no trades today. There's nothing exciting. That's a super tight stop loss, isn't it? You got the right target, though. My issue is I think this is going to get manipulated and you're going to get stopped out. You can. Let's look at what this looks like on the lower time frame. Do 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 do. It's a TikTok song. Oh, I could see that being a sweeping. I think it goes higher, honestly. I think this is gonna stop you out. Oops. What's wrong here, dude? Let's see. By the way, I don't have any more charts to really like show you guys. There's nothing going on today. Is it FOMC today? Yeah. That's why nothing's happening. It's FOMC today. Nobody wants to trade before FOMC. Nobody's going to be trading today. So yeah, I might just actually call it quits early today. I'm just looking at UJ. And if I don't see UJ on open, then I'll probably just head out. FOMC is today, so not many people want to be into longer term trades. They would just want to do scalps. Did the battery just die on my camera? Yeah. Battery dead. 1 second. We're gonna wrap this stream up super quick actually here. So, don't think maybe it's that pizza. I think I might not change the battery. I think we might just wrap this up quick. What did you do wrong here? All right, we'll do this. Okay. What did you do wrong there, dude? It just dumped. That's the problem here. All right. You entered on a pullback, but there was no reason to enter there because it was obvious that it was just dumping, right? There's no bullishness coming out of this at that level. Does that make sense? Maybe we should look at crypto for now. I don't trade crypto. I just invest in it. So all I can give you guys is investment advice. What's FOMC? It's a news event. Yeah, you should have waited for some bullishness on this, and then enter. Sebastian, what about this trade? Sure, let's look at it. I don't like it. This level is getting really weak. You see how many tests it has on that level? So whatever is supporting it right here is getting weaker and weaker. So it's very, very easy for them to break it through. Very easy for you to get stopped out. I don't like it. That's the thing. And anytime I have like any thought of the market wanting to stop me out, I just don't take the trade. or I'll take it at half risk, or I'll widen the stop if the targets allow me to, right? Should we exit out of running trades? Depends where your stop is. If it's a high time frame or low time frame trade. FOMC doesn't move the market like crazy. NFP is the biggest one. When sweeping, at what rate do you usually take your first profit? So for my trading, I always take my first profit between 1 and 2R. Sure, you can. We already talked about UCAD shorts. What is BD Swiss? What is BD Swiss? I don't know what that is, dude. Can you give an example of an important order block they have to wait to see a reaction? I always look, whenever I'm going to enter a trade, I don't just enter it for no reason. I don't enter it blind just hoping that a level is going to hold. I don't have to show you an example of an order block or a supply zone or something like this. It's all of them. Anytime you take a trade, you should be watching to see how the market's reacting at a level, right? You should never enter. BD Swiss is a broker. Oh, I see. You should never just see a level and say, hey, that looks like a good level, right? You never do this and say, hey, that looks like it would reject, right? Because what's the point? Because then you got a really wide stop, and you're probably going to get stopped out anyways, because they know where your stop is. And instead, you could just wait for this to happen. Boom, boom. And then what you do is you say, okay, well, now I'm entering, oops. Now I'm entering here, and my stop is actually tighter. And it's actually rejecting for sure. So I'm smart. I'm smart. I also don't know BD Swiss. BD Swiss is Swiss bondage. Alright, guys. I'm gonna wrap it up here. I am quite tired, and I just don't have a ton of energy for this one. Do I journal my trades? More or less. I journal my trades. I just write down all the trades I take in Edgewonk. It helps me track for me and my traders who's performing well and who needs to lower their risk and whatnot. But I don't journal my trades anymore for improvement reasons because I'm already extremely satisfied with how well I do. And improvement from here is largely just based off of instinct and whatnot. Your natural tendencies, right? So it's kind of hard to track that stuff. So it's not as important for me anymore. I just track my weekly results, my daily results, things like this, so I can adjust risk allocation and shit. All right, guys. Well, I still gotta stay up. I'm just freaking tired. I'm not gonna be able to have the energy for a stream. I take multiple take profits, take multiple trades. Pretty easy answer there, buddy. Also, Google it, because that's an incredibly easy question that you don't need me for. I'm not going to feed you guys these things. Like this pizza. I'm going to feed it to myself. All right, guys. All right. All right. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for joining. Short stream today. 30 minutes only. I think we should listen to meditate here. I appreciate it, guys. If I gave you any value here today, you know, we didn't give you any trades. Maybe just UJ. Hopefully you can get in on that one. And I didn't take any trades either, so. But if you appreciate it, hit the like button. If you're new here, hit the subscribe so that you can learn for next time. Take it easy, guys. Best of luck.
Celebrate the set of fate, meditate, what a beautiful way that we paved, that we gave, everything that we made. No more gray, only sun, what a beautiful way. Yeah, yeah. I got a couple reasons. reasons life is picture perfect. I made a couple enemies, but friends hell heavenly. Bright as the sun, energy tight as the bonds, chemistry. We got a good dream, plotting visions to me. No second guessing on the board, we take a shots as a team. Jotting thoughts, states of mind, who am I, who's we? I got connected with the crew, got no screw loose like voodoo. Do everything we choose to, say seance like prayer. A crucial stay tailor, make moves judging mayor. My peers are my players, rather dying for my life. The women keep me fighting different demons in my life, turning shadows into dreams, tobacco blowing off the steam. I got a couple different habits, vision blurry when a fiend. To be unsettling the most, to feel like elegance to me. I got the precedence to seek another rock new high. Might be arrogance, but off the rock I feel so fly. Put the emphasis on eloquent, the sentence ends with meaning. Never speaking on demeanor matters, creeping away from demons after running, chasing evil far from heavenly gates. I gotta catch up with my heroes, these the ways that I've changed.
You see me on the other side, shining off the things I like, kind of shit the ladies like, living on the other side. You see me on the other side, shining off the things I like.
The music is all unreleased, man. It's coming out in 2021. What is the worst month to trade? December. Coming up, guys. This is why you should be taking it a little bit lighter. Thus, I'm not forcing any trades right now. December, you will lose the most money, I guarantee. There are many traders who take December off entirely because it's very difficult to trade in December. So don't think your loss in December is a representation of who you are as a trader. Just trade lightly, very lightly, December. Alright, baby boys. Catch you tomorrow.